Hi guys, so for this little demonstration here, I just wanted to show you some of the things you can do with Preview on your Mac, specifically working with PDFs and manipulating your PDFs. When you're designing instructional materials, frequently you want to modify what the publisher gave you, and you want to take things out, add things, rearrange things, stuff like that. And so I'll start with the PDF on the left here. First of all, basically what you want to do is make sure that you show thumbnails. So click on this little button right here and show the sidebar thumbnails, okay? And that's your starting point to manipulating your PDFs. First common thing people want to do is delete a page. So I don't want my textbook chapter that I give to students to start with this page. I'd rather have it start with this page. And so if you click on the page you don't want and hit delete, it actually takes it out. So if I go ahead and save this now, that page will be gone, and the students would start seeing the chapter from section 1.1. So that's about as hard as it is to delete a page from a PDF with Preview. The second thing that's very common to do is rearranging pages. Sometimes you scan things or your textbook publisher has things in a different order you don't like. And so to rearrange things, basically you just click on a page and drag it to the position that you want it, and it rearranges the pages. So now my PDF starts with this page, page 3, and the next page is page 2. Obviously that's not something I want in this case, but it may come in handy if the scanner messed up the order of your documents. So I'll undo what I just did there. Okay, so that's basically working within one PDF. You can delete things and you can reorder pages. The other very nice thing is if you want to work between two PDFs, you can actually combine pages from one PDF to another. So you can easily go from one PDF here. Let's say I want to take this page and put it into this PDF right here. You can click and drag that over and just make sure that you're not going outside of the current PDF. If you drag it in, you see now I still have my Algebra 2 Chapter 1 PDF here, but now I've added this page, and I can again reorganize things by dragging. And so now this could be my starting page for this PDF on the left. Obviously I don't want Chapter 2's intro in front of Chapter 1 here, but that's just a little demonstration of how you can rearrange things and bring in other pages. So with this you really don't have much of a limitation of what you can do with the PDF here as far as adding pages, taking away pages, and combining PDFs. You're able to take multiple pages by clicking the first one, holding Shift on your keyboard and selecting the last one. So I'm taking a whole bunch of pages here, and I'm going to copy them into this PDF on the left. So I can just do that by clicking and dragging, and once I see the separation there, now I've inserted a whole bunch of pages from Chapter 2 into the Chapter 1 file. And so this is very useful if you want to do combinations of things in PDFs. Likewise, you can delete multiple pages. If you select the first page, scroll all the way down, and then select the last page in the range that you want to delete. So I'm going to go all the way down here to the end of Chapter 2 that I just added, and I can select multiple pages by selecting the first one, hold Shift on your keyboard, select the last page, and then hit delete, and all those pages are gone again. All right? Now, when you're done with this, you can just right away just go File Save, and it'll save the PDF. Or if you don't want to overwrite your existing copy, you can actually export it and make a different copy, so you're not losing your original file. Okay, so exporting is as easy as clicking Export as PDF, and then select where you want to put that, and you can call this whatever you want, and save that on your desktop. And now you have another copy of the same file that's unaffected. So you have the first original copy, and now I have a copy that I've been editing and playing around with. So I can use this for my students.